So now we are going to find the derivative of cosine x. Now we have our given y is equals to cosine x, and cosine x will be our f of x. Okay, y prime again, y prime is equals to f of x plus delta x minus f of x over delta x. So let's substitute. Cosine x plus delta x minus f of x, we have minus cosine x all over delta x. So again, another identity. Cosine x plus delta x, we have cosine a plus b. It is equals to cosine a cosine b minus sine a sine b. So now let's substitute cosine x plus delta x. Palitan lang natin yung a as x, b as delta x. Now we have cosine x cosine delta x minus sine x sine delta x minus this one cosine x minus cosine x all over delta x. As delta x approaches 0, again 1 cosine 0 is equals to 1. So what is left is equals to cosine x times 1, that's cosine x, minus sine x sine delta x minus cosine x over delta x. So cosine x minus, so subtract, is equals to cancel. So matitira is negative sine x sine delta x all over delta x. Again, we're going to isolate this one. Sine x over delta x, as delta x approaches 0, that is equals to 1, based on what we have learned about the limit of this given. So meaning, what's left is negative sine x, that is equals to negative sine x. So therefore, the derivative of cosine x is equals to negative sine x.